Here's what I have for you today, guys. I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up some airbrush supplies. 2 new airbrushes, an Eclipse and a Neo. And I went ahead and got the cleaner, and I got some other little art supplies. I went ahead and got the Auto Air Colors candies right here, and some cleaner, and some Createx Wicked colors. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a little update as to what's going on with the future videos and stuff. I'm gonna try and do some tricks that we can do with the airbrush when we paint stuff, and do some airbrush projects. And then I'll go ahead and do an unboxing video of these. That shouldn't take too long, but pretty much we're still working on the helmets. And just to give you the update, we did get the tin in, and I'm still working on getting the tin up and getting the lighting installed and everything, so that we can go ahead and get started on some of the other projects. Well, we need to start moving forward with the Honda. And I just figured I'd give y'all a little update of what I did today. Now, I went down and bought all this stuff, and I'm still waiting on some other things to come in. For the airbrushes and stuff like that. We got to get some other paints and some more reducer, and this stuff right here, the balancing clear. We're gonna order that in bulk. But I just wanted to give y'all an update, and I'm gonna do some spraying videos in the future for the helmet. I've picked the colors. I do believe we're just gonna go ahead and go with the Shine Indigo. And we're gonna do it with the Shine Indigo and the red, but I'm gonna try to incorporate as many of the colors as I can into the helmet design, and we're gonna try some different effects. I'm gonna try to push it and see what we can make the helmet look like, and try to do a nice, instead of just doing a quality solid job for effects with the Rust-Oleum, I want to see how far we can take it with the Rust-Oleum paint. Now, I did get some other things in, and I'll do another video update when I'm in the shop. I have some other unboxing videos and reveals to do, so I just wanted to let you know we went ahead and got a couple of airbrushes, some cleaner, and some paints and stuff like that, and y'all can kind of guess what we're going to do with that stuff. So I appreciate everything. Keep commenting, ask questions, and thank you for watching. Okay, let me take this out of the box so I can take a look. This is the Neo. I don't believe this is actually made by Iwata. It's made for them, for somebody else. Actually manufactures it, but this seems to be a high quality brush. Now, it's got a pretty smooth pull and all that stuff on it. I mean, and it does come with 2 cups, the little cup and the little wrench. I do believe you can get another needle and nozzle for this too. But anyway, that's what comes in that box. It just comes with the instructions and the brush, pretty much. But it was $49 at Hobby Lobby. Now, something that a lot of people used to do, they used to use the 40% coupons on the brushes, and they don't do that no more. So if you're going to get a brush there, you're not going to get that 40% off, so you're not going to get this for $35 or whatever, you know, they used to do on the Iwata brushes. They didn't, I asked, and they said no. So that's the Iwata by Anest Iwata Neo. Okay, we're going to do a little unboxing here of the Eclipse. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was $149.99, and it's their All-Star Versatility package. It's the HPCS, and let's see what's in the box. Okay, so they include a little sheet here that shows you the lines that you can get with this brush. You get some instructions in here, you know, a quick start guide, get some paint in it, start, you know, pushing down and pulling back. And then they give you, you get a nice sticker. This is cool. And then here's your brush. Of course, this is the most popular brush that they sell. This is the Eclipse. So they have a Revolution Eclipse. They have the one that's above the Eclipse is the Professional. And then they have, I do believe it's the illustration model, and then the Micron. But of course, this is a high quality airbrush, but it doesn't have any replaceable tip or anything like that. It comes with a little wrench here. Of course, you're going to get Anest Iwata quality with a brush like this. And then in the bottom of the box, we have other stuff. Let's look. Okay, so you get some paints. You get red, yellow, and blue, and it comes with some gun lube, and you get one of these air separators, and I do believe that's another sticker in there. So yeah, high quality brush. And that'll be the unboxing video for the Eclipse HPCS.